Solar System Surprises, 3 Unbelievable Facts. Welcome to the vast universe of solar system surprises. The largest planet, Jupiter, has a whopping 79 moons. Talk about a crowded sky. Venus is a scorching nightmare. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, cooking the planet at over 475 degrees Celsius or 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars holds secrets. Evidence of water flows and ice caps hint at past life, fueling our curiosity. Our solar system's surprises keep our eyes on the cosmos. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. Until next time, stay curious.